So here we are at Warley, and guess what? I've bumped into, I haven't got far, and I bumped into this motley crew. Are we all in shot?
Railway Video Division.
Yeah. So, go on guys, talk.
Well, talk. Well, how long have we been here?
What do you think of this winner?
Oh well,
very good. It's very good, but I mean, clearly.
Clearly.
Exactly. Yeah.
I would have had a couple of cooling towers that are 3.5 foot tall.
Yes. We was robbed.
We was robbed.
Let's have a look at this one.
It really is stunning. They've really done an absolutely amazing job.
Star Train just coming along.
Oh, here we go.
Now we've
that was James Bond's
we come over here to Cathy and some fans of Cathy's. These are fans of Cathy's, aren't they? They'll be on YouTube later. Yeah. So here I am with Pat Doyle, producer.
I don't know if they're. I don't know. I know the video.
I put him where he is today, really.
I have done some with them before.
Told him how he could make this show.
Yeah, but no, I'm not going to push that.
So Brian and Daniela from the TV show, they didn't want to be filmed, but they're filming here today. Team Tunbridge. Smile. We're there. Shall we put the drink out? So it's a big Warley Model Railway Challenge get together, as you can see. A lot of the teams have met up again. That's kind of cool. So it's Finn with the trophy, and he's gonna let me have a hold of it.
Or maybe.
There you go. That's good. So there you go. What could have been, but it wasn't. It was Finn's.
Years ago, yeah.
All right. Remember which film that is?
It was on the other week.
film and film and